Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double work. A very beautiful soft silk saree, borderless concept with copper and silver zari work. Beautiful flying butterfly design buttas. Very elegantly handcrafted, beautiful saree in a deep brown shade. Very elegant color. Excellent dark shade color with the copper and silver zari used for the butta weaving. Alternatively, it's a borderless concept with a contrast pallu on blouse piece. The pallu here is in light brown, kind of a beige brown, with all over copper zari work and silver zari vertical borders in the pallu, and we have plain blouse piece in same color. The pallu tassels are already made. It's an excellent combination, beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double work. A very beautiful borderless collection. Here with a copper zari work buttas. A very beautiful color here. A purple color, a purple and violet mixed shade with the two color zari works alternatively given, copper as well as silver. Vertically, alternatively it's been changed, and original copper zari is used here, the copper color itself. Beautiful one with silver colors also. Both the colors actually very beautifully it's visible because of the dark color of the saree. And this is a borderless concept saree here. And we have a contrast pallu. Pallu is also a dual tone here. Pink, it is light baby pink is mixed with half white to get a very light and beautiful tone of pink. And we have 3D type work in the copper zari work in the pallu, and same pallu color blouse piece is given. The tassels are already made. The combination is a very rare combo, beautiful combo too, completely hand woven with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection with a trendy butterfly design sarees back in stock. A very beautiful collection. The pink is almost an onion peel pink shade with a goldish glow on the pink. Very elegant pastel shade pink color with silver and gold jari buttas. Buttas are flying butterfly design. You can see the butta. Excellent one. Completely handcrafted. Premium soft silk saree. Borderless concept, and we have a pallu in a almost a dark maroon shade. Pallu, brownish maroon with gold jari work, elegant work, and silver jari is used in the vertical borders of the pallu. And we also have plain maroon blouse piece. Excellent combination. Combination is very beautiful, pastel and dark with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful thin border, extremely contrast color sarees. Here we have a very beautiful combination, light green, light radiant green color, beautiful one with the flying butterfly design. Mild yellow tinge is also there on the green. Excellent fluorescent type, very beautiful one, attractive color. Flying butterfly is done using the gold and silver zari alternatively. Elegantly handcrafted, beautiful saree with a thin border in gold zari, and we have a ultimate contrast, beautiful dark reddish pink color. Pallu also have a 3D type weaving using the same gold and silver zari, and we have plain blouse piece in pallu. The combination is very beautiful and attractive, eye-catchy combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a borderless collection with very beautiful flying butterfly design saree buttas. A very elegant buttas they are, done using copper and silver zari alternatively. And here we have a deep bottle green color saree, a very elegant black and bottle green mixed color. Really beautiful dark green it is with the copper zari and silver zari alternative buttas. The buttas are very pretty, and you can see the clarity on the dark color base. Really beautiful with the borderless concept, and we have a contrast pink pallu. The pallu is a light pink here, very beautiful baby pink shade with a beautiful copper zari work in it, and we have plain blouse piece in same color. The pallu tassels are very beautifully made. The combination is also unique. It usually comes with Rani pink. Here this pink is very different with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, thin border, beautiful collection in a very elegant flying butterfly design buttas. Gold and silver alternatively used for the butta weaving on a light radiant green color. It's almost in a light apple green shade. Beautiful one with a contrast dark Rani pink color pallu. The pallu also have very beautiful design, completely done using gold zari with vertical silver zari borders, and we have plain blouse piece. The blouse piece also has the thin border that is done using the golden zari. The combination is beautiful, a very different light shade of green with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. a thin border collection, beautiful butterfly designs, a very trendy design with gold and silver cherry alternatively given for the saree. The flying butterfly, you can see, excellent butta design with thin border, and the saree is in almost a gold shade, beige brownish gold color with thin navy blue color border. We also have a navy blue color pallu. The pallu also have both silver and gold zari work. You can see it very visible because the color is dark with plain blouse piece. The combination is pastel into dark with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku, borderless collection with a beautiful design, trendy, simple and elegant design here in a excellent and ever trendy peacock neck blue and green mixed color saree. Very elegant, mild country color. And you can see the buttas, gold and silver zari, alternatively used. Copper and silver is used here. You can see the butterfly, copper zari butterfly, flying beautifully. Excellent handcrafted work, borderless concept. And we have a dark maroon color pallu. Pallu is also very grand here with the copper zari and silver zaris in the borders, vertical borders. And we have plain maroon blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. The combination is very beautiful. Both are in dark shades. The buttas are very trendy with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. A very beautiful thin border collection with a very trendy butterfly flying design buttas. Excellent creation. The buttas are finely crafted. Silver and gold zari alternatively used, and the color of the saree is a brown here. Beautiful brown with a half-inch thin border that is also done in gold zari here. Finely hand woven with beautiful dark pink color, magenta pink and red mixed color pallu, and pallu design is also beautiful with gold and silver zari work, and plain blouse piece is given on same pallu color. The combination is a dark combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border, beautiful collection in a very elegant color combination. Here we have a pastel shade saree with beautiful dark pallu, lavender mixed with crimson half white to get a very light lavender color. Beautiful finish and best saree for the pastel lovers. And we have the flying butterfly design buttas. Buttas are done using gold and silver zari alternatively. Very pretty work with a thin border in gold zari again. And we have a contrast dark pink, it's a reddish pink color pallu with beautiful 3D type weaving in the pallu also using gold and silver zari. And we have plain blouse piece in pallu color. The combination is beautiful, a very beautiful and exclusive combo, completely handmade with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku, a thin border, beautiful collection, and excellent color combos. Here we have a very different cross color combination, dark bottle green mixed with blue, navy blue color to get a beautiful dual tone, green and blue, dark shade tone with a flying butterfly design buttas, gold and silver alternatively used for the butterflies. Elegantly crafted, beautiful work with a thin border that is also done using gold zari here. And we have a contrast Rani pink pallu. Pallu is also 3D type with same gold and silver zari work. And we have pallu color plain blouse piece. Excellent combination, beautiful and attractive with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku, borderless collection with a beautiful flying butterfly design in the buttas. Here we have a pastel shade saree, a very beautiful green with a light goldish glow on it, a mild brown mixed green it is. Really beautiful color, rare color. And we have copper zari work and as well as silver zari work used for the buttas. Alternatively both are given. Very elegant butterfly design. It's very visible and beautiful with the borderless concept. You can see the finish of the saree, premium quality hand woven silk it is with contrast pink color pallu. The pallu have very elegant copper zari work, beautiful design, a different design too. It's something different from the contemporary designs, and we have plain blouse piece in same color. The pallu tassels are already made. This is a sweet pink too, and the combination is beautiful with authentic silk work.